right, one minor oil leak that affects nearly all owners of the OM617 and maybe some other Mercedes diesel engines is simply an old, hard, crusty oil filler cap gasket. We're going to get that guy right out of there and cure that nonsense once and for all with part number CRP 3487. Stand by. Okay, these oil filler caps don't last forever, you know. So let's just use a little pick tool here and get this old one out of here, and let's just see how well it's fared over the years. I can already tell that it's pretty rigid. Yeah. See that? Yep, it's time. Oh, come on, get out of there. See, it's stubborn. It doesn't want to go. All right, we're going to hit this with a little brake clean off camera, so stand by. I think we're going to make some significant improvement. I think you would agree. By golly, that's downright pretty. Oh man, I got a little oil in the corner there. Let's get that out of there. Can't have that. So out of curiosity, I have not taken the time to read this. Oh, let's see. It's in German. Und Reuter Luftung. I have no idea what that means or how to pronounce it. But we're not going to worry about it. CRP to the rescue. What does CRP stand for anyway? I have no idea. Now you'll notice this guy here. Now you see two types on the European websites, right? FCP Euro and Pelican. You'll see some that are much more narrow than this. In other words, the distance from the inner diameter to the outer diameter is more narrow. Those are for the aftermarket plastic caps. These thicker ones are for the OEM caps that came with the engine originally. All right. Man, I tell you what, that's pretty doggone nice right there. All right, I got our new gasket in place, and I'm going to get this little guy. Man, that's a nice tight fit. You know what? I'll be willing to bet that doesn't leak. All right, everybody, that's about it. Just a quick tip on fixing this oil leak on the top of your valve cover. It's annoying, and you don't have to keep on wiping oil off of the surface of your valve cover. Put a new gasket in. All right, we'll talk to you guys later. Take it easy. Yeah. Yeah. I say pull it until it begs for mercy. Pow! Ain't gonna break. No.